Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install the Daction 360 drive action recorder into my car. I'm going to go ahead and look for the unit. So before we actually mount the camera, we got to do some prep work. First things first, it was actually very nice of them to provide a 16 gig micro SD card. So we'll go ahead and pull that out of the bag and slide the card into the unit. Now we'll go ahead and get the actual mount out of the box. Slide the unit into the mount. Okay, now this is where you want to make sure the actual camera orientation. So you want to make sure the 3 buttons are facing you and not outside. So the camera is going to be sitting this way while this mounts onto the window. So as we prepare to mount the actual camera onto the windshield, you want to make sure you're mounting it on the upper 20% of your windshield. Make sure that the 3 buttons are facing you, and to make sure you have no metallic objects in front of the camera, as the GPS sensor is actually right here in front of the camera. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and peel the backing off of the mounting tape. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and locate a optimal mounting area that looks about right. Okay, I'm just going to stick it into place. Go ahead and give it a firm press against the windshield. Of course, you can change the tilt direction where the camera's facing by turning the 2 knobs on the side. So I'll have mine facing forward. Of course, tie in the 2 knobs when you find your desired spot. Okay, the next step is to actually get the power cord out of the box and to connect the camera into a power supply. So we'll go ahead and pull out the power cord. Get this end that plugs into the camera, into one of the 2 ports on the driver's side. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Now the excess wire, you can actually loop it on the top side of the camera. What I'm actually going to do is to hide the top side excess wire behind my panel on the top side of the car, simply by inserting it through the panel. Until I get to the A-pillar, down to the dashboard. There's an actual cable hook, so you can kind of clip that into place and then use the provided sticky brackets to place the excess wire wherever you like. The final step to powering up the camera is getting out the car adapter and plugging the USB end into the adapter and plugging the adapter into the car. And once you start your ignition, it'll automatically power up the camera and function as it should.